So guys, in this video, I want to talk about my top producing realtors. There's an issue that I'm seeing in the industry that needs to change. So if you don't know who I am, my name is Christian Onyman. I'm a CPA that helps realtor with tax planning. So first off, my realtors, something about the industry is that y'all guys have a high profit margin, usually about 80, sometimes 90%. That means for each dollar that you make, you're probably taking home 90% of that, 90 cents. So usually when you're making high profits, you're going to be paying taxes on those high profits. So that's why you see in the industry, a lot of realtors have some type of tax issue. That's mainly because they're owing taxes. They don't have a lot of expenses to write off, and they don't know what to write off or game plan about the future. That's why I want to talk about 3 tips that my high producing realtors need to take advantage of. 3 advices/tips, right? The first one is your guys need a tax plan. If you're a high income producing realtor, you need a tax plan. There's no other way around it. What that tax plans do is not going to only just save you money in taxes, but it's going to help build your wealth. For example, we have a client now that just signed up with us 2 weeks ago. We're doing a tax plan for him. And that tax plan, if you truly look at it, is nothing but wealth building activities. He's making a lot of money. What we're going to do for that tax plan is help him strategically park that money in different investments that's going to help bring his tax liability down and also build his wealth. The next thing that we need to do for my high income producing realtors is we need some type of accounting system. It all roots from the accounting system. You can't just look at your bank statements anymore and know about your accounting. That's not it. The bank statements are just a snippet of one part of your accounting. You need a legit accounting system that's going to help you track how much money you're making. That's because we based our tax plans off your accounting. Your taxes are filed off your accounting. You should be understanding your business through a different light by looking at your accounting. So that's a huge number 2 step. You'd be surprised how many top income producing realtors don't have any accounting system. We need it when it comes to saving money in taxes. I did an example. If both realtors are making 100K, keep in mind that you're probably going to be paying around 25,000 in tax liability. One factors for a tax plan, the other doesn't. The other doesn't have a tax bill that's that high, and the one that doesn't do the tax plan, he's stuck with a $25,000 tax bill. It's a no-brainer, right? So do a tax plan, have some type of accounting system. And then my third one is talk to your CPA on a constant basis. It's so simple. I'm not doing any out of the mind-blowing strategies. You need to have an actual relationship with your accountant. You should not want your accountant to just treat you like a number. They're helping you build your wealth, and they're helping you basically, pocket that so you can use that for your family and, whatever you want to use it for. But you need to basically talk to them outside of just tax season, because tax planning is a year-long thing. You need to be having monthly, quarterly calls with them, right? So those are 3 things that I highly advise that you do, especially if you're a high producing realtor, that's making a lot of money. Keep in mind, your guys don't have any expenses. You need your CPA to help you create legit expenses that make sense, park your wealth and assets that's going to help on your tax return. And you need them to basically grow your business too as well. So please keep that in mind. Once again, my name is Christian. I'm here to help with anything tax and accounting for my realtors. Thank you.